my friend, love is that. Thank you, love of it, and 5,000 rupiah.
How are you, my friend? All
Very
good?
like you, good.
Where you were? In Jakarta?
Ja, Jakarta FM trouwens, ten stasiun op televisie. Die heeft een viral daarvan en zingen daarvan en een paar kilo, ja.
Nice, nice.
Okay,
Very nice. Good luck. Thank
Very
you.
good.
That was Pak Made. He's back. So happy to see him singing. Guy, if you don't know somehow, let's see how is Erika now. Erika is busy playing with watching my YouTube maybe. Hello, doggos. Yo. Chill. Oh, hello, Erika. How are you today?
Good, and you?
I'm okay, thank you. My radar is coming. Thank you, Erika. All right. Cheers, guys. And by the way, yo, what's up? I'm Damian from The Monkeys. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. How you doing? I hope so you're keeping well. I'm in Legion today in Padma. Let's talk about Bali and the life, my personal life and Bali life in general. I ask the people of question of you on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram yet, it's TheMonkeysYouTube. You can follow it right now. And I was thinking to make a 2-3 vlog special about these questions. However, there was not like questions really suitable to make a separate vlog. So I choose 10 questions today and I will talk about that and reply to you. Answer to you. Okay, guys, let's start it. I have some questions over here. I hope so I'm gonna make all in 10 minutes or less. However, let's see. First question, maybe why you live in Bali, not in Poland? Well, first of all, my wife is from Bali. It's from Bali, born here. So Bali is my second home, and that's literally my second home because after you marry somebody who is from different country, from different part of the world, this place becoming your second home, literally. Like Poland is second home for Winnie as my wife. So that's one of the main reason why I living in Bali, in Indonesia. Why you not open restaurant monkeys or something like that? That's our dream for sure. One day, earlier or later, we're gonna open the restaurant in Bali or cafe or something like that, either in Sanur area or either in Tabanan area. Also, if you would be interested to be a part of it, maybe investor or something like that, you can join us, you can help us, and we can make something maybe together. Everything is to discuss. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, another question, tour of your home. We moved to our place where we are living now till now about 1 year ago. We made about this special video including the tour of our home. You can watch it. And currently we are also thinking about to move to different place because we have some little difficulties with the parking space, parking area, little bit complicated. So if we're gonna change our place, we're gonna make it again the new place. If anyway, if you're interested about the place where we currently living, you can watch our old video. Another question, would you both ever consider living in another country other than Bali? Bali is just the island, but we are talking about the Indonesia, Bali itself in general. I know what you mean. And yes, definitely we wish to live abroad somewhere, sometime. We actually, to be honest, we were considering seriously to move out from Bali, from Indonesia, literally maybe half year ago, a few months ago, in 2021. We were thinking to move to Poland or somewhere in Europe and stay there maybe for 3 years, maybe 5. For many reasons we changed our mind and currently we are still in Bali. However, we really wish to live abroad and we also considering to moving out in the future to Singapore, Japan, or somewhere in Southeast Asia, in Asia in general, eventually in Europe. However, probably the most realistic way, if we're gonna move somewhere one day, that will be Europe or Singapore. And Singapore is the one of the country what we both agree is we really would like to live and develop ourselves. Either we're gonna have a business or we're gonna continue her career. And obviously I'm gonna start making my YouTube. That's nothing has changed. No matter where I'm gonna be, wherever I am, I will definitely making YouTube every single time for you. Another question, how do you motivate yourself to produce daily videos of Bali? How do I motivate myself? I made already like 605 videos every single day in the row. It's gonna be soon almost 2 years. And right now my motivation is like something normal for me. Like just part of my day to making video for you. And creating videos every single day is actually not that hard. However, the most difficult part is to finding the idea what you're gonna make today or you're gonna make tomorrow, usually just today, because you have not really much time even to think what you're gonna make tomorrow or after tomorrow. But if you have an idea or is something it's happening around, it's easy. Anyway, Bali is kind of small island and it's not that easy to making something very, very interesting every single day. But as you can see, as you're watching us, I think I'm doing this pretty alright. 600 vlogs and still counting. I hope so I'm gonna make it for another 1 or 2 years every single day. In the future I'm gonna reduce the vlogging to maybe 3-4 days a week, 3-4 videos a week. But that's in the future, not now. Definitely not now. I will still continue every single day. Another question: what would you name your cafe and when would you hope to open it? Definitely the Monkeys Cafe or the Monkeys Cafe Bali or something like that, the Monkeys Bali. Let's see. And when? In the near future. This is still our dream, so we will see. I hope so one day we're gonna make it, definitely in the future, like I said. Another question: do you think about the future or live the life at the moment? Definitely I'm thinking about the future, and I'm thinking more about the future than most of people in Bali do. Many foreigners also who come to Bali, to Indonesia, they also are living from the... Yo, what's up, my friend? They living living the life, whatever it is today. Don't thinking about the future, don't really thinking about the past, but definitely for me, I'm thinking about the future. And in my opinion, thinking about the future is very important. Especially I'm in my late 20s, early 30s, so I still have at least 30 years until I'm gonna be properly retired. However, my life looks like I'm retired right now in my 20s, and so it's very important for me to plan the future. Me and Winnie, we don't have kids yet, so it's also very important to plan the future and what we're gonna do, where we're gonna be in the next few years. This is also regarding the questions about if we potentially would like to live abroad in different countries one day. So this is, in my opinion, very important. Most of the people who coming to Bali, they living the life, whatever it is today. But many of these people, they are retired people or already after 50s, 60s, and they usually achieve in their life whatever they wanted to achieve, and now is the time just for the rest. So if you are retired, if I'm gonna be retired, I will don't think about the future anymore. But when I'm still 29, nearly 30, I think it's very responsibility for me to think about the future, right? You can comment below if you agree with me. Anyway, for the people who are coming to Bali and they are younger than me or our age, they usually don't think about future. However, they have not much responsibilities in Bali. They usually don't have a wife from Bali, or in general they are usually single, so either they are live in Bali for longer while, like 6 months, 1 year, maybe 2 years. Whatever happened tomorrow, they can always move to different country or come back home. But for me, it's very important to think what's the future gonna brings to me. If there were no restriction of, you know what, would you travel the world or stay mostly in Bali? Definitely I will travel the world, and definitely I'm gonna start traveling earlier or later. I hope so still in this year I'm gonna go somewhere abroad. I have already few plans, but I'm not really willing to tell you right now because everything is subject to change, and the world situation is extremely unstable right now still. But definitely I will travel, and in the future I will travel a lot. At least that's the plan, and this is the part of my thinking what's the future gonna bring for us. Okay, and I think that will be the last question. Somebody asked, have there in summer always many layang-layang at Martasari Beach? Layang-layang is the kites, and the kites in Bali are usually during the wind season. Wind season is coming into European summer or Australian winter, starting somewhere from beginning of June, finish in September, something like that. And at that time is so many kites in the sky in summer and actually everywhere around the Bali. However, right now in January, February, if you're gonna go there, probably there will be no kites at all, or even if so, that will be 1 or 2. And I think that's it for today. I talk quite a lot. It's definitely more than 10 minutes. I hope so many of you still keep listening me and watching me today. You can comment below what do you think. I share a little bit of my private life with you and the life of Bali. Not doing the videos like this too often, so I hope so you enjoyed. Anyway, I'm planning to make a live stream tomorrow. So I'm gonna keep it in secret where I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it, and I believe many of you would enjoy it. So if you have time, 4 p.m. Bali time, please join. Always you can watch the playback later on, and of course during the weekend we're gonna do something with Winnie. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always I will see you on next one.